botched demolition of the Silver Dome. Look, Detroit. I like you. We like you. We're all rooting for you. But sometimes you just make it too easy. The latest evidence came on Sunday. Demolition crews initiated plans to implode the Pontiac Silverdome, former home of the Pistons and Lions, only for the whole thing to fail rather miserably. According to Click on Detroit, the demolition will continue at a later date. Here's the video. More. Phil Hellmuth goes on epic rant after losing brutal all-in-hand to Phil Ivey. UFC fighter makes superfans' dream come true. NFL Week 13 picks against the spread. Can Seattle stop the 10-1 Philadelphia Eagles? ESPN commentator makes awkward blunder announcing Scott Frost's news. Justin Verlander had the best reaction to a tough Twitter question from wife Kate Upton.